Seems my good intentions always crash and burn. Everything I try to do will fail. Never once will I prevail. Going wrong at every turn.
What belongs to the sea can always return.
What belongs to the sea can always return. It's a seashell. No, it's a gift from a god. Maybe my dad was a screw up too. His best laid plans always falling through. Maybe he did the best that he could do. Maybe my dad wasn't always there. Maybe he never knew how to care. But hey, that's life, and life ain't fair. And I know right now things are less than fine, but I think my dad may have thrown me a line. And better late than never to finally get a sign. I'm the son of Poseidon, and I am gonna win. The son of Poseidon, and I'm done running. Guys, I know how to get out of here. I'll come back for you, Mom. I promise. It's a portal!
What?
Oh, come on! We were set up, and I think I know who did the setting.
But if it's not Hades...
Who wins if the gods go to war? Ares, the god of war. I bet he's watching us right now. Show yourself!
Well, he'll have to get through me. We'll take him down, we work well in three.
Plus a half goat with a great goatee. Let's do this.
So this could be the end, but I ain't sad, 'cause you're the two best friends this screw up ever had. And now I'll make this right for me and for my dad. I'm the son of Poseidon, and we know you're to blame. The son of Poseidon, maybe a god, but you're going down all the same.
Ha! Your mouth's talking trash. You better rinse it. Your meat is missed. I'm here to mince it. I'm gonna have my war. Now give me some space. I'm gonna wipe that stupid head off of your stupid face.
I'm the son of Poseidon, and I'm trying to win. The son of Poseidon, and I'm trying to win.
Let the love fest begin. Look out!
Percy, get to the ocean!
You think the god of war is afraid of a little water?
How do you feel about a lot of it?